andu aya manjirite ati marenda Uhuru Kenyatta na ni ndina thina na ndeto ici.
Neo yari miario ya Muteti Martha Karua kiumia githiru riria oririe aikari a kaunti ya Kirinyaga mamuhurire kura ta gavana wa kaunti ĩyo mwaka ukite na cio kura cia president maikirie mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta.
My people know where they want to cast their vote, and I'm telling them yes, it is okay to vote me governor in Kenya and to support the president in Jubilee.
Ni miario yataurirwo iri ta kionereria gia Karua kunyita mbaru president Uhuru Kenyatta githurano-ini giukite. No riu Karua arauga miario yake yataurirwo uria gutaagiriire.
Good morning and welcome to Cheche, the show where opinion counts.
Thabarĩra-inĩ ya Cheche ceceni-inĩ ya Citizen TV, Karua augire hatire handu aanĩrĩire atĩ niakanyita mbaru president Uhuru Kenyatta.
You make an interpretation and then you want me to discuss it. I don't think it's fair. I've already said what we said in Kirinyaga, and I'm not going to go beyond that.
Karua augite itua ria kunyita Uhuru mbaru riria aikari a Kirinyaga, no ati itua riake we eta mundu kiumbe ria uria akahurira kura ya president ni thiri yake.
When I was speaking in Kirinyaga last week, we were articulating the decision of the Kirinyaga branch. And I know most of the branches in the Mount Kenya area, speaking to the chairman within the party meetings, they're very clear that they'll be backing President Uhuru.
Karua ningi akindiriirie ati itua ria arumiriri ake tirio riake, tondu o mundu kiumbe ena kihoto gia kwiyamurira maundu kuringana na wendi wake.
My opinion is that every person, choices are individual. And everybody has a right to choice. That's why the menu, even political parties are many. It's a menu for you to choose from. Candidates will be many. I am not going to talk about whom I vote for any more than you can tell me whom you're going to vote.
I don't think we're asking about...
Yeah.
Maya maraumira o riria ateti amwe a Jubilee makoretwo makiuria Karua anine kiama giake kia NAK Kenya niguo kimerio ni Jubilee, undu uria Karua augite ndegwitikira.
I am not going to tell you. I'm going to maintain the secrecy of the ballot, but I'm saying categorically that I'm quite okay.
Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.